What's up guys, how's it going? My name is Marcel Flores and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dapper. This is our second Quick Tip Tuesday video, and today I'm going to be talking about how to layer 2 button-down shirts. Layering a button-down shirt is not all that difficult. You can do it with a polo shirt, you can wear a turtleneck underneath, you can do a few things, but it's kind of unusual to layer 2 button-down shirts. But that idea first came to me when I was walking in Germany like years back, and I walked past a window and I saw several shirts stacked upon one mannequin, and it was not like a styling suggestion, it was really just more, oh look, these are all the shirts we have, that's like different patterns, different colors, I don't know, but I liked it. And then especially about a year ago there was a big trend with shirt jackets, which are basically shirts, and I was starting then to really do it. So if you guys are into layering 2 button-down shirts, I have got 4 tips. Number 1 are both style and styling. They're kind of 2 in 1, but they're both kind of related and both really important. Number 1, style. I would not wear 2 dressy, like classy button-down shirts on top of each other. I think one of them, the top layer, should always be a little bit more casual just because it elevates the look, and like layering the 2 shirts makes it more casual. So I would really embrace that and put a casual layer on top. In terms of the styling, you can really have fun with it. You can tuck them, you can untuck them. If you want to button it a certain extent, you can button it all the way up, like 3/4, you can kind of button it just a little bit. I like rolling up the sleeves now and then, but I think it's important that if you have a pattern on the bottom, we'll talk about that in a second. If you have a pattern on the bottom that it kind of peeks out at several places, so I would style it in that way. Number 2, as I just mentioned, is pattern and colors in general. The same rules apply as with making any outfit really. You don't want the colors to clash, the patterns to clash, just kind of go for complementary colors. A good rule is just to have 1 pattern and 1 solid color. 2 solid colors are an easy combination too, but I like using it, like sometimes I have a really crazy print on a shirt and it's just kind of too much, so rather than putting it underneath a blazer or a jacket, I just put another shirt on top with a solid color to hide the pattern just a little bit. The third consideration when you're putting together 2 button-down shirts is fabrication. Now the base layer, the dress shirt, is usually going to be a cotton fabric and very sleek, like not much texture to it. You can have a lot more fun with the casual top layer shirt. You can have a denim shirt like I'm wearing right now. You can even wear a leather shirt, which is definitely more like a shirt jacket. Or you can also wear a cotton shirt, because cotton, the fabric, is a very versatile fabric and it can have many different textures. So I would have fun, go with a cotton shirt, but like make sure it's a little texture and there's a contrast between the 2 shirts. You definitely want to make sure that there's a visual contrast, not only in color, but also in style and fabrication. The last thing you want to take a look at is fit and size of the shirts. Once again, the dress shirts, probably the base layer, and the dress shirts are usually nice and tapered, tailored, fitted. You'd want to make sure that when you wear a dress shirt that's not meant to be untucked, that are like excessively long, don't untuck it. That seems pretty straightforward. And in terms of the top layer, it can be a little bit more relaxed, just once again, it's more casual, but it can also be like, this is fairly fitted. So I would keep it in the same style. If you want to go oversized, both should be oversized. I think it'd be weird, especially with a dress shirt. Like if you have a dress shirt and a super oversized, loud, crazy, grungy shirt, that doesn't work. So try and keep it in the same fit, vibe, and I think you should be good. And that's already it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Quick Tip Tuesday video. As always, I really want you guys to make this your own, especially something like that that's kind of like out of the box. I haven't seen a lot of people wearing 2 button-down shirts on top of each other. So really make it your style. I'm here to offer you guys inspiration, not to dictate any rules. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Leave comments down below with thoughts, questions. I already am eyeing 1 comment that was left on the last video that was asking when to tuck or untuck a shirt, and I'll be answering that very soon. So if you have more questions, I'm going through them in the comments. Leave one down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like this channel, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Stay dapper. Bye.